With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is two particle masses m and 3m approach each other with the different velocities. After collision, the particle of mass m has velocity v vector in their center of mass frame. The velocity of particle of mass 3m in the center of mass frame is A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is, we have the mass m here and this is mass 3m. So they meet here. If they are approaching each other, so this must move with this direction and this is moving in this direction. If they, let's suppose they meet here and this is here they meet, so collision will occur. So collision occur at this point, collision point here. So after collision, this is the mass m here and this is of mass 3m particle. So this is 3m. So after collision, it must start moving in this direction and this start moving in this direction, and this is moving with the velocity vector v as their center of mass frame, and this is moving, let us suppose this is moving with v vector dash here. So we have to find the v vector dash here. So we know that here this center of mass, so we can write here mass into velocity vector plus mass into, that is 3m, into velocity vector dash is equals to 0. So from this we can write here mv is equals to minus 3 time of m v dash vector. So from this mass and mass will cancel out, so we get v vector v dash vector is equals to minus v vector divided by 3. So this is the answer for the mass 3m in the center of frame. So this is the answer for this question. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option C is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.